Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're thinking why am I so decked up, well, the wedding season is here and I thought it's the perfect time to shoot a tutorial to show you guys how to create a wedding guest makeup look. When I was planning this look, a site that really helped me was Amazon. I mean, they have their whole winter and wedding sale going on and I ordered so much stuff from there. In fact, everything that you're seeing on my face, like the neck piece, everything is from Amazon, and I actually got everything at throwaway prices. I mean, yeah, the whole sale that's going on Amazon is crazy, and yes, I will mention the link so you do not forget to check them out. So yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of takeaways from this video, so without any further ado, let's get started.
The first and the most important step is to always prime your face. I am using the Plume Silk Blur Primer to hydrate my face and to, prepare it for the makeup. Now I'll be doing my eye makeup first. For that, I am creating an eye base using the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. It is a perfect concealer and also a really good product to be used as an eye base. I am applying it generously so that it can cover all the darkness and the green veins that shows on my eye. And using a flat brush, I am tapping it and making it smooth. Now I'm using the City Mini palette from Maybelline. I am picking the brown color from this palette and I'm concentrating it only on the outer V because we have to create a jade green makeup look. It is important that you give it a brown rounding so that it looks well diffused, right? So I'm using a fluffy brush to cover it well on my crease area, and now comes the hero product, which is the Nykaa Jade Green Kajal, Glamorized Kajal. I've got all these products from Amazon in the sale, and trust me, the prices at which I've got them are very reasonable. So I've applied it around the upper lash line, and now I'm using like this pencil dome brush from Plume and I'm blending it on that area only. Now because it is a gel based eye pencil, it is important that you work quickly with it. Now when I'm done blending this much, I will reapply a little bit more of the Jade Green Kajal and I will reapply it again. Right, so whenever we are dealing with gel based eye pencils, this is the way to work with it. You apply little, then you blend little, you apply little and then you blend little. Also these Plume brushes are really good. Going back with a little bit of brown, I do not have any additional color on my brush. I'm just taking the same brush and blending it all over so that it can have a nice diffused effect on my eyes instead of any kind of bluntness. Now I'm taking the Blue Heaven eyeliner. Surprisingly, this has become my favorite. I mean, I never thought that the Blue Heaven Kajal eyeliner will become my favorite, but yes, it has. Nykaa Take a Brow is actually one of my most favorite product to do eyeliners, and I found it on Amazon and I was really happy. So this is a great product because I have slightly bushy eyebrows and I need a product which help me quickly fill them in and not make it look overwhelming. This is the product that does exactly that, and you can see the difference. I mean, it's mind-blowing. Now I'm coming back to my base makeup. I am using the same HD concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm applying it below my eyes and a little on the chin area because these are the areas that have a little bit of pigmentation, right? Again, using the flat concealer brush, I am just tapping it all on my face so that it is well settled over there. The idea is not to spread the product but to make it settle in the same place so that it can give good coverage, right? That's the right method of applying the concealer. Now coming to the foundation, I'm using this Lakme 925 foundation, which I also picked from Amazon. Great foundation for like 400 rupees that I spent on it. It is a perfect foundation. Now I'm using this Sigma blender. It is a wet beauty blender, not like dripping wet but slightly wet beauty blender, and you just have to tap on on your entire face to make the foundation melt and blend like liquid gold. You just have to make sure that you tap and then rest will just take care of itself. For highlighting today, I'm using this Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, applying it on under eyes, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin, and the tip of the forehead, the perfect places to highlight, and a little below where my contour will go. And then again, the technique is same. You just tap it on the same place because you don't want to spread it. It is not your foundation, it is your highlighter. So you just have to tap 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 on the same place so that it blends really well and can give the effect that it is supposed to give. I love this Age Rewind concealer because it is very easy to blend. I mean, the formula, the texture is just perfect, and I found it on the sale and I was very happy that I'm getting such a good product at reasonable prices. Then I'm using the Nykaa foundation stick 07 as my contour. This is my holy grail foundation product. I mean, this product, it is so easy to use. I am using it with a brush. You can also use it directly if you want, and trust me, I have already finished like 2 to 3 packings of it, and I've repurchased it from Amazon because I absolutely love this product. Contouring gives us our face that 3D dimension, and I've applied it on my cheekbones and jawline, nose, forehead. These are the only places where I contour, and I'm blending it using the same blender. You can also use a different blender, but I just use the same blender. So I'm now, my nose contour I always blend with my fingers because I find it best that ways. Now goes a little bit of Kajal magic from Sugar. You just have to apply one thin layer of Kajal, and now I'm using the same brush with which I blended the Jade green. I have not taken any additional product. I'm just using the same brush to blend a little bit on the under eye. Now for my mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I'm pretty sure almost everyone in India must have used this product because it is so good. For a drugstore mascara, it is fabulous, and I think this is my 3rd or 4th purchase of the same mascara. So make sure you use good applications of mascara because you want your eye makeup to really stand out. And then using this lighter color from the palette, I'm just highlighting the brow area and a little bit on the inner corner. For my blush, I'm using my all-time favorite Nykaa Malibu Barbie. Of course, I'll be applying a lot of blush. I mean, not too much, but yes, a good amount of blush because it's going to be a very high, weddingy makeup. So I want the blush to highlight a little bit. For highlight, I am using the Master Chrome from Maybelline. The technique that I use is that I take good amount of highlight between my fingers, then I rub it really well, and then I apply it. So this gives the highlight a very diffused look instead of the highlight which is chalky, which is standing out. I'm applying the highlight in the same technique on the cheekbones, the nose bridge, cupid's bow, chin area, and a little bit on the beginning of the eyebrows. It is a really good technique and I think everybody should do it. For my fixer, I'm using the NYX DEWY based fixer because it is a vendingy makeup and I want a little bit of bling on my face. The lipstick that I'm using is Epic Magenta from Swiss Beauty. It's a great color and I thought that it was really going well with the whole makeup. So yeah, with this step my whole makeup is complete, and now I'll be back with my jewelry, and this is the final look. I got this green beaded necklace from Amazon, and trust me, I love it so much. Like, it will go well with Indian and Western dresses both. This is the final look and I'm really happy with the way it has turned out. The best part is that it is like a full-on wedding glam, and everything that I've used is completely drugstore, available on discounts, the Amazon sale. Most of the products were there on Prime delivery, so I received the delivery really quick. So yeah, I mean, creating this whole makeup was a very satisfying process for me because I was wanting to do it for a very long time, and I just love the way it has turned out.
So this was the look that I created for you guys. Like, I had a great time creating this look for you, and I hope you had like an equally pleasant time watching it, and I really hope that all the information that I gave in the video will help you guys recreating the same look. If you have any issues, anything, you can just write it in the comment section below. You can also DM it to me on my Instagram page, the link of which is mentioned below. All the product links are also mentioned in the description box below, so so that you do not have any trouble finding anything. And yeah, I think it is the season of discounts and you should definitely take full benefit of it. So yeah, that was pretty much all from my side today. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.